just received the garden tools, and I'm very excited to open it. See, look at how nice it is. I'm very excited. This is a little bag, you know, to put the tools here. Nice gloves. Here's a little shear.
And what do you use a shear for?
When I try to fix my rose bushes, because I prune them every single day. They cut the bad flowers, keep them in the same height.
Okay.
So this is wonderful. Mine is so old. Look at this, is nice and sharp, and also it's very light. Oh, this is a shovel. I was just going to fertilize my hydrangea with my thing, so I can use this. See how cool this thing is. Gosh, I have a lot. Oh, they're different type of shovels. And also, this is really very fancy. Look at that. Yeah.
Wow.
This is how deep it is, you know. This is nice. Oh boy. This is just like Christmas. See how pretty it is? I'm going to use them all. Yeah, and then it's just going on, and look at that. It's all kind of things. This, I'm going to use this when I try to put my fertilizers. I can use this. Let's see what else. Wow, this is so fancy. If the soil is too hard, it's almost like a fork. So I am going to use it. Let's see. I'm going to use this thing to loosen the dirt of the hydrangeas. I'm going to loosen the dirt all over the place, and then I'm going to wear the gloves. Then I'm going to, it's nice. Then I'm going to use my little shovel. Yeah. You know, like this. Then I can put in here. And then, this is wonderful. Okay. And then, here's, I better use my shear. Here's a dead leaves. Cut it off. This is wonderful. It is so easy to cut it. Oh, I just love this. I never had anything that fancy. And then you can put, after you're done, you can put everything in that bag. See how pretty it is that you can put in your garden.